I told you bro na huwag kang magmahal ng tiyanak. Maloko talaga mga yun. Pero bro, I didn't mean to fall for her, okay? Nangyari lang talaga. At first, I was like, yeah, what the hell bro? She's not like other tiyanak. She's small but terrible. And yung laugh niya, nakaka-trauma pero cute. Bro, you wouldn't get it.
Isang araw naghihanda, naglaro ang tadhana. Nang ika'y makita, mata natin ay nagtugma. Puso kong may kulang, napuno na lang bigla.
Hey, kuya! Mama said na umuwi ka na daw or else she'll go here mismo para sunduin ka.